Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about one of the top smartphones right now, if not the top smartphone right now on the market with an affordable price. That is right, I am talking about the OnePlus 6. Now make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to keep up with more videos to come. So OnePlus has made a beautiful, attractive new color for this device that they are calling Silk White, and it looks absolutely amazing. It is a nice soft white with rose gold accents on the logo, the power button around top, the bottom and sides, and all other buttons. Now, this new color definitely sets it apart from the others, and so does the price. While you can still get the other OnePlus 6 devices at a great value starting at around $530, this specific model will cost $570, which is still a great price in my opinion, considering that the color isn't the only thing that has changed. They have also upped the RAM to 8 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, I said it, 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is going to give us smooth sailing when using the device. And they are also giving this specific model 128 gigabytes of storage, which is more than enough for many. Now, in my opinion, this is probably one of the best looking devices you can buy right now for the price. Well, I mean, aside from the front notch, which you can also get rid of through software. But yeah, I think this new color with more RAM and the storage makes it an even better device that will definitely be one to compete with. Now, it will be available on June 5th, but in limited numbers. So you guys better keep an eye out for that if you are interested in trying to get this device. But you guys let me know your thoughts down in the comments sections below. Do you think this new model is worth the new price? And is it, maybe something you're considering on buying? I'd say, if you have the money, I'd say go for it. But hey, that's just me. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments sections below. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come. And hey, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.